On Monday, Public Association Azerbaijan Without Political Prisoners held a press conference at IRFS Media Center in connection with the suicide of individual Kamran Seidov. Seidov was a witness in the case of theologian Taleh Bagirzadeh, who was arrested in March of this year. He also witnessed in the case of believers Bakhtiar Gurbanov and Royal Askarov. Seidov committed suicide on September 26 of this year in a prayer room of State Oil Company where he worked. As a cause of his suicide, in his deathbed letter he pointed out the false testimonies against the above-mentioned people that he had provided under pressure at the Office for Combating Organized Crime. According to the press conference organizers, a criminal case must be launched into Seidov's suicide under the article Incitement to Suicide of the Criminal Code. The speakers noted that the law enforcement and judicial systems of the country are in crisis because of the widespread use of torture, slander, threats, and arrests on false charges. People are tortured and forced to give false testimonies. Necessity of keeping public spotlight on Kamran Seidov's case was noted. Head of the Committee for Protection of the Rights of Islamists Mirgasim Aliyev called the suicide Seidov's response to the violence. Condemning the interim ministry's refusal to acknowledge Seidov's torture, Aliyev said along with the suicide victim Bakhtiar Gurbanov, Royal Askarov and Taleh Bagirzadeh were also subjected to pressure. Despite clear signs of the torture on the body of the latter, Sabancı District Court did not address this issue. He said, "It was proposed to create a special commission involving lawyers to investigate the suicide of Kamran Seidov."